What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. The shop feels like a disaster. Too many cars in here. We are gonna get this thing 100% finished up and back to Jared today. There is not much to do. Intake, intercooler piping, just button some things up. I noticed that some of the gauges were acting a little bit sus, so I gotta figure that out. This car is not gonna be officially tuned for a while. I ordered the MAP install kit, and we also got an MAP firewall heat shield. And I have no idea when they're gonna ship or when they're gonna arrive. Shipping seems to take forever these days. So I guess whenever that stuff comes in, we can get the Walbro 450 in the car. Until then, it's gonna stay on a base map. It'll be fine. Jared, if you're watching this, don't blow your car up. All right, let's get to work. Well, she's pretty much all finished up. There is one thing I don't have. It's an O2 sensor plug in the ETS downpipe. There's two holes for two O2 and a wideband. Wideband on this car is on the test pipe, so I need to find a plug for that. I don't have any here at the shop. Other than that, this thing's all pretty much ready to go. Bay looks really nice. MAP intake fit well. Intercooler piping looks baller. The manifold looks nuts. I'm excited to go cruise this thing. Now remember, it is just on a base map, so no rippers until we can get her tuned. So the wideband's working. We just had that leak right before the wideband. That's why it's showing full lean. Boost is working. Oil pressure is not working, and that is probably due to something weird with the wiring extension I did. So I'll double check that. Ethanol content's shown good. I think everything is pretty much good to go. I'm gonna go grab a little plug. I need to grab that plug for the downpipe because that shit is annoying, and then just figure out the oil pressure. And this thing is ready to hit the streets. I'm excited. This thing's gonna be such a fun, nice daily ripper. Swing by the shop whenever. Your car will be done in about 5 minutes. Hello?
Ooh.
It's a dope looking bay.
Damn. Ooh, hold on. Let me set my stuff down. Hold on.
Oh, he's excited.
Yeah, I'm very excited. I'm flying over here.
I do have bad news for you.
What?
I know the bad news or the good news? The good news is she built.
Yeah, what's the
Bad news is your oil pressure, either the center or the gauge is fucked.
Really?
Yeah, all the wiring's fine. I double checked all that. It's either that or you have no oil pressure.
Yeah.
So, and I'm gonna say,
I'm gonna say the gauge probably messed up.
Yeah. Oh yeah, why would say?
Damn. It looks good, bro. Even with the janky plastic valve cover, like everything else is such an improvement.
Yeah.
And that janky crushed BOP or fucking recirc.
Yeah. It looks good, dude. I like the silver piping, honestly.
I like it a lot. Yeah. I was unsure if I would like it because I'm so used to.
All right, this thing's ready to go. Let's go cruise and see how she does. You ready?
I'm so ready, dude. I'm
All
so
right.
excited.
Oh,
So beautiful.
he looks like a little kid on Christmas.
Yeah, that's how it feels, dude. I'm so excited.
Sounds like a mix in between like a stock manifold and my manifold.
Yeah, it's tough because that leak is a fact. Like you can hear.
Yeah.
Is that what that rasp is?
Probably.
Yeah, I wonder where that is.
You heard that little turn?
That's sick as hell, dude. Dude, that sounds so good, and I barely even went into it. Oh man,
That's dope.
that's sick. Dude, holy shit. Dude, that sounds so good.
That sounds perfect.
Holy shit, this car sounds way different.
Does it sound like or feel like it's laggy at all or not really? I think it's kind of hard.
No, like I can feel it wanting to spool.
Yeah. Alright, your AFRs look pretty, they're a little rich, but you can do a little tiny little pull.
Should I just do it down this little?
Yeah, take a left and see how that external dump sounds, boy.
Oh, I just do it for yeah.
I do it second.
Do a second. Holy shit, that's loud.
That sounds good.
That sounds real good.
You hit like 12 pounds of boost.
Wow.
Hell yeah, dude.
This thing is so sick.
You lost the bolt, did you hear that?
What was that?
I
Yeah.
don't know. It's on the road. Let's go look at it. I think I know what it was. I think it's a bolt from when I was extracting studs. I heard something go flying. I think it's further down here.
What's that thing?
Oh, it was right there. Here, go a little bit forward. I think you're right over it. I'm pretty sure it is the welded on bolt. I think you lost an exhaust bolt.
Holy crap, that thing.
Rev it up a little bit. All right, first try was a good success. Sounds like there's a little bit of an exhaust leak, so I'm gonna pop it back on the lift, or either an exhaust leak or a rattle, exhaust rattle. So I'm gonna put it on the lift, figure out what that is, and then we can do some other random things. I wanna put on the bumper quick releases, and I think that's about it. So I found out our leak. I'm dumb, let me explain. You wanna hold this so I can use my hands? So an external dump gasket has a little hole, right? And it's separated between the dump tube and like the downpipe where like exhaust goes out. I put an OEM gasket on there, not even thinking. So exhaust is traveling from like the downpipe side to the wastegate side So it's just leaking out the dump. There was a rattle too, so we got that fixed. But now we're gonna do some bumper things. So Jared wants these pulled off on the side of the intercooler, which is gonna help a little bit of cooling anyway. And if you don't like it, we can put them back on, you know?
I feel like I like it.
It's gonna reveal a little more intercooler. And then she has some saggy ass syndrome, so we're gonna put on some JDC bumper quick releases, which that'll be nice because I think gear clips are broken, right?
Yeah, for sure they are.
Well, fuck you. So we're gonna do that, and then this thing should be good to go.
Hyped.
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 Extremely hyped.
That turbo spool though.
Yeah. That gasket's $40 too. Should we just put some RTV in there?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Matter of fact, let's just do that. Build it like the people you buy cars from.
Fuck yeah. Hey now.
Floppy intake.
Don't roast everybody. Jared's out here roasting the internet. We already got a quick release, just don't put bolts on it.
Wire quick release, just rip it off. Oh yeah, you gotta see that. Let's just go bumperless.
You want the mesh off too?
I think so. I think it'll look better.
You're such a racer.
It's not gonna hurt anything, is it? The mesh isn't really protecting the intercooler.
You're a racer. That's what you are, Jared.
I mean, I guess if a fat rock flies up, it would protect
that
it.
shit ain't protecting nothing.
Yeah, fair enough.
I'll keep that because I always need mesh for random girls I build, like for on that car, dude. There. Now you have no mesh, and it ain't ever going back on either. You better fucking like it. I can put these back on now if you don't.
Yeah.
Well, I'll set it up.
Huh? You set it up?
I'll set it up. If you don't like it, I'm gonna beat your ass.
I feel like I like it. Hey, let's
You
see.
like it?
Oh yeah, I think I like it.
Open, bro.
Oh man, what do you think?
I'm gonna say put those.
I think I like no mesh. I think it
no
probably
mesh?
looks, yeah, better
That
with the, yeah, it looks,
That looks like you went on eBay and bought a bumper.
I don't know, I don't like how I can see like this, that stuff, so yeah.
I'm sorry, but your initial fucking thought was trash.
No mesh is fine, but yeah, that gotta go back on. Yeah, that's better, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, that's sick. The JDC stuff pretty straightforward.
Here you go. Drill away.
Should I? I'm scared. No, you do it. I'm gonna fuck it up.
For real?
Dude, one shot. I'm not doing that.
There's a dot. You just gotta drill the
Hell
dot.
no, brother. You do it.
Gotta turn your lights, bro. There we go. Tune coming soon. Hopefully within a week. That's gonna be a wrap for today, boys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Every part that we installed on this car over the last week, I'll link down in the description box below. The JDC quick releases, I'll link down below with my discount code, and of course all the other JDC parts as well. Discount code Devin Niemela 10 will save you 10% off. Hell yeah. Well, we got Bobby's Evo chilling in the shop. It's gonna be a while before we even touch this thing, to be honest, because tomorrow the gray 10 comes back. It's been done for a while at PDR, but I'm gonna grab it tomorrow and get that thing done because I don't wanna start her project until the gray one is 100%. Damn, so much Evo shit. Hope you guys don't mind. Peace out, boys. I'll see you tomorrow.